Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Sourav Sir class. Today we are discuss about the examinations PG 2025. This examination is important multiple courses from Tamil Nadu. Okay, so Anna University is important, and let's get started. Today's so in this video, I'm going to each and every point related with the Anna University. Anna University CEETA PG 2025, and this is pathway engineering excellence, right? So in this video, we are going to tell about that this university is situated in Tamil Nadu, and this is a vital stepping stone for aspiring postgraduate engineers, right? So what is the important application? When you can fill up your form, and what is the last date? Every important information I'm going to give you in the application form is in open from January 15. It means it's already opened here. So apply early to avoid last minute rush, because what is the last date is application deadline is 21st February 2025. So please don't miss the deadline. The examination date is also there. That will be March 23, 2025. The timing is from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. So this is all about the date. Okay. Now let's move with some other information. Why this university is important, and what is the current scenario of this university? It is a prestigious institute established in 1978. It is a technical university and a leading technical university. It offers a different kind of undergraduate and postgraduate programs, and they are doing in various kind of engineering disciplines. Okay? Now let's move to the global recognition of this university. Anna University has earned recognition for its high quality educations and research, attracting students from across the world. CETA PG 2025 eligibility criteria. So this section is important, guys, right? Because you want to know the criteria, because you already know what is the last date, and the process is already started. So let's see the eligibility criteria also. If I'm talk about the academic requirements, so candidate need at least 50% marks in their qualifying degree, right? And reserve category, they have a relaxation but only 5%. It means they have to give their mark sheet as per the 45%. Okay. Work applicants when they have done 10 plus 2 or 10 plus 3 with AMIE, that is a qualification. Okay. And 2 years of relevant work experience, they are also eligible. Distance education. So candidate with BTech degree earned through distance education or weekend program are not eligible, guys. This is the worst news for those students who have done BTech on the, they trust on those private institute that BTech is eligible for multiple university, but see, they are not accepting the degree from distance education or something. So guys, admission to top engineering college. Anna University department have ME, MTech, MArch, Amplan at Anna University, Chennai campus, the regional campus, and the University College of Engineering. Every important place, which is the center point, we can say that Chennai. Anna Malay University offers a range of PG programs in engineering, and it secured admission to top government and government aided engineering colleges in Tamil Nadu. Okay. CETA PG 2025 application fees. Let's see how many amount or how much money you have to, you know, involve in this examinations. The PG, MTech, ME, MArch, and Amplan, if you are in journal category, you have to pay 1,000 rupees. But if you belongs to STS, SCA of Tamil Nadu, then you have to pay 500 rupees. There is counseling fees also. INR 800 for general category, and SC/ST SCA of Tamil Nadu is 400 plus 18% GST. GST is mandatory. 18% GST is normal for every. Let's get see the tips also, because if you are willing to fill this examinations, really willing to get success in this examination, so I'm here to give you some important strategies which might be you know about, but this is important for every student. Plan your strategy. So just make a study plan, and as per this important plan, you can move on. That cover the entire syllabus, which is important. Focus on your key concepts. It means you have to understand the basic concept of engineering and the subject which you go through. Practice regularly. Solve previous year question paper, which is always helpful. Mock test also helpful, which is which is there to improve your test taking. Test taking. Sorry. Stay calm and confident. This is the basic master key of everyone. Stay calm and confident. Join the Anna University Engineering community. For more information, you can visit the website also. The website name is Anna University. And please don't miss the opportunity to pursue your graduate. You want to do your graduate the best chance. So just fill up the form, and if you need any kind of help, you can connect to Sourav Sir class. We would love to. So thank you so much. We'll meet you soon in some other informative class, because all classes there are multiple kind of forms or examinations going to start, and so I'm there to give you each and every. So thank you so much, guys. We'll meet soon in our